So as you can see, like this is the code for our RFID based door lock. So the SS is pin SDA, which is connected to pin 21. Reset is pin 22 connected to pin 22. The SCK is connected to pin 18. Master in slave out is connected to pin 19. And master out slave in is connected to pin 23. Ground is connected to ground and power is connected to 3.3 volt. So like we have attached the RFID card reader, so these two pins are configurable. And then after 1 second delay, we start reading from the RFID card reader. So whenever a card is read, this code will get called. So like we check the value against a preset value. If it matches with our preset card value, we move the door to like 180-degree and stop all sound. If the value does not match, like it's a different card, we start the police sound, and after 1 second we again close the door. So let's just see the demo of the project. So this is our RFID based door lock. So here I have a servo to emulate the door, and it is connected on pin 4. The VCC is like 3.3 volt, and this is my NFC reader. So there are basically two pins. One is your SS, which is your SDA, and it is connected to pin 21. And then you have SCK. SCK is connected to pin 18. MOSI it's connected to pin 23, and then MISO is connected to pin 19. Then IRQ is not connected, ground is connected to ground, and then reset is connected to pin 22 and 3.0 volt to 3.0 volt VCC. So this is how our connection is. So when you place the right card, it will open the door, and when you place the wrong card, it will play the siren. So let's just see the demo. So as you can see, like if I use this tag, it will play the police siren, and if I use the right tag, it will open the door.